Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you through the steps to download the Messenger app on your PC with the latest update. If you want to stay connected with friends and family through Messenger, this quick tutorial will help you get set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. You can find it by searching for Microsoft Store in your Start menu or taskbar. Once it's open, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface ready for you to explore. Now, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store window. Click on it and type in Messenger. This will initiate a search for the app. After a moment, you'll see Messenger pop up in the search results. It should be easy to spot, as it's one of the most popular communication apps out there. Once you've found the Messenger app, go ahead and click on it to launch the app page. Here, you'll see detailed information about the app, including features, screenshots, and user reviews. It's always a good idea to check this out if you want to know what you're getting before you download. Now that you're on the Messenger app page, look for the Install button. This button is typically located near the top of the page. When you click Install, the Microsoft Store will begin downloading the app to your PC. Depending on your internet connection, this should only take a few moments. After the installation is complete, you'll see the option to launch the app directly from the Microsoft Store. Click on Launch, and the Messenger app will open up for you to start using. If you want to access it later, just search for Messenger in your Start menu and you'll be good to go. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Messenger app on your PC. Now you can chat, share photos, and connect with friends all from your computer. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using your favorite apps. Until next time, happy messaging.